The Queen of Spades is usually a dark-haired lady, whatever. And again, it doesn't really give away age. If it's with a jack, it could be a mother and son, particularly the same suit. Then they're related, they're not married. If it's of the opposite suit, and you see the queen with let's say, a king, which is an older male, middle-aged or older, whatever, then it would be an older couple, usually, of different suits. So the suits really are of the same family and the opposite. And now with a king of spades, it's a male of some kind of substance, usually a very serious type of male. And if you talk about the ace of spades, it's usually some gossip or rumors or some slander that you hear about. And of course, it's all affected by the card that it's with. So if it's with a card that, well, we'll explain it as we go on. Now, a seven of diamond would be some kind of a gift or a pleasant surprise. Uh, and it depends on the card that it's with. Now, if it's a young male, then a gift or pleasant surprise comes from a young male. If it's with a female, the pleasant surprise comes from a female, uh, etc., etc. Now, the eight of diamonds is a small amount of money, and if it's with a jack, queen, king, etc., it tells who the money comes from. And of course, if it's in the third column, it'd be in 3 days, weeks, or months. And if it's in the fifth column, it'd be 5 days, weeks, or months. If it's in the fifth column, it'd be within 5 months or in 5 days, weeks, or months. So that's what's good about this system. It has a time factor. Now, the nine of diamonds is extra money, and usually that is, it comes as it's like insurance money or a bonus or something that you get or win in some way, but it's extra money. It's usually not so much in the earned factor, normal earning, week to week earnings, but it's in some way some extra money that comes in. Now, when you talk about the ten of diamonds, that's a lot of money. It's more than just a dollar or two or a small amount. It's usually, as far as the person's concerned, a good amount of money, and that depends on somebody's pocketbook. The jack of diamond, of course, is a young male. See, with the jacks and the kings in this court system, European system of cards, you can tell the age. It's a young male or it's an adult or older male. But with the queen, there's not an age factor because women don't give away their age. So with the queen, you're talking about of diamonds. Uh, it's a female, and usually they're of some substance. And if they're with a card of the same suit, they're in the same family. Now, here's the king. It's usually an adult or older male. Uh, and what's happening with him depends on the card with him. The ace of diamonds is news or a message of some kind that one receives.